Good morning, dear children. Have you ever played chess? चेस खेली है आपने कभी? अगर नहीं खेली है, have you ever seen a chess game? Can you identify what are these? देखा है ये जो मैंने टेबल के ऊपर रखी हुई ये क्या चीज है? Have you ever seen them before? These are pawns. चेस एक बहुत अच्छी इंडोर गेम है. यू कैन आस्क योर पेरेंट्स टू बाय इट फॉर यू इफ यू डोंट हैव इट एंड यू विल एंजॉय प्लेइंग दैट. ये पॉन्स हैं जो हम चेस गेम में यूज करते हैं. दे आर टू कलर्ड. ओके, दीज आर द येलो वंस एंड द ब्लैक वंस. फाइन. नाउ आई हैव अरेंज्ड देम टुगेदर. ये सारे व्हाइट वाले पहले एंड देन ब्लैक वाले. Now I can arrange them in a different manner also. एक अलग तरीके से भी अरेंज कर सकती हूँ. Let's see. I'll take one yellow, one black, again one yellow, one black, one yellow, one black, one yellow and one black. So this way I have arranged one yellow, one black, one yellow, one black. ठीक है, तो दिस इज फॉर्मिंग अ पैटर्न. नाउ व्हाट पैटर्न इज दिस? इसको आप क्या बोलते हैं? यू कॉल्ड इट ऑल्टरनेट पैटर्न. दिस इज एन ऑल्टरनेट. ऑल्टरनेट मीन्स पहले एक चीज आ रही है फिर दूसरी आ रही है. ठीक है, येलो ब्लैक, येलो ब्लैक. दिस इज ऑल्टरनेट. फाइन. ऑल्टरनेट. फर्स्ट नंबर पे येलो है, फिर सेकेंड नंबर पे येलो नहीं आएगा. राइट. थर्ड नंबर पे येलो आएगा. एक प्लेस जो है वो स्किप कर रहे हैं. पहले एक जगह छोड़ने के बाद हम दूसरी जगह पे वो दोबारा वही चीज आएगी. ठीक है, येलो. फिर यहां पर येलो नहीं है सेकंड प्लेस पर. देन थर्ड प्लेस पे येलो है. फोर्थ पे फिर से येलो नहीं है. फिफ्थ पे येलो है. राइट. दिस इज ऑल्टरनेट. नाउ इफ यू रिमेंबर वी हैड डन ऑल्टरनेट नंबर्स इन मैथ्स अर्लियर. यस, remember that alternate numbers किए थे हमने and I had given you the examples. Let's revise. We'll revise alternate numbers. Counting you all know, सबको counting आती है. Now these are some mountains. अब अगर mountain के हम ऊपर चढ़ रहे हैं, let's write the counting while we walk up the mountain and come down the mountain. I am climbing up the mountain. Here write 1. 1. Okay. Now I am climbing down the mountain. I write 2. Counting करते हुए जाएंगे. Again up the mountain I write 3. Down the mountain 4. Up the mountain 5. Right. अब मैं क्या करूंगी? Now I will write all the numbers when I was climbing up separately. जब मैं ऊपर जाते वक्त जो numbers आए हैं I'll write them separately. 1. Right. 2 पर डाउन चला गया. आई विल नॉट राइट दिस. आप किस पे जा रहे हैं? 3. 4 पे फिर डाउन चला गया. आई विल नॉट राइट दिस. आई लीव 4 एंड 5. नाउ यू सी 1, 3, 5. दीज आर ऑल्टरनेट नंबर्स. ये क्या है? ऑल्टरनेट नंबर्स, क्योंकि बीच में हम एक एक नंबर को छोड़ते आए हैं. ठीक है. सिमिलरली वी कैन हैव दीज नंबर्स व्हेन वी वर क्लाइंबिंग डाउन. Right, we were climbing down the mountain. ऊपर चढ़ते हुए नहीं, जो हम माउंटेन से नीचे आ रहे हैं. Coming down the mountain. It is 2. 1 हमने छोड़ दिया. We have left 1. I'll write 2 here. I'll use another color. 2. Right. Then I use 4. Write 5, 4 here. So here 2, 4. ऐसे ही अगर हम इसको आगे कंटिन्यू करें तो this will be 6, 8. Right. ऐसे ही यहाँ 1, 3, 5, 7. Now these are all alternate numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7. Right? 2, 4, 6, 8. जब हम बीच में एक एक नंबर को छोड़ते आ रहे हैं. Now these numbers are odd numbers. These are odd numbers. ये भी मैम ने आपको पहले बताया था. odd numbers कौन से numbers हैं? जो 2 की टेबल में नहीं आते हैं, जो 2 से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होते हैं. दीज आर ऑड नंबर्स. 1, 3, 5, 7. और जो ये वाले नंबर्स हैं दीज आर इवन नंबर्स. दीज आर कॉल्ड इवन नंबर्स. इवन नंबर्स क्या हैं? जो 2 की टेबल में आते हैं. राइट. जब आप यूकेजी में थे आपने स्किप काउंटिंग बाय 2 भी किया था ना. यू डिड दैट. 2, 4, 6, 8. सो दीज वर ऑल ऑल्टरनेट नंबर्स and they were all even numbers. Fine beta. We can take another example of stairs. When you use stairs, if you have written numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sometimes you play a game. आप क्या करते हैं, एक स्टेयर को स्किप करके दूसरी पर चढ़ने की कोशिश करते हैं. You can try that at home, but be careful, okay? You don't have to get hurt. You start from 1. आपने इस स्टेयर के ऊपर आप खड़े हुए, right? Then don't step on 2. Leave 2. Try to go to 3 directly. Okay, you come and stand here on 3. Fine. Then you leave 4. You can stand on 5th. These are all alternate examples. Okay, so you will be using alternate stairs like this. But you have to be careful so that you don't fall and don't get hurt. Fine, beta? This was another example. And one last thing I'll tell you is, suppose I'm writing counting. I'll play a game with the numbers. वो game क्या होगी? I'll write one number and then I'll drop the other number down. Okay. I'll start from 1. I'm writing 1 here. 1. Then 2 यहाँ आना चाहिए था, but I will not write 2 here. I'll drop it down. मैं उसको नीचे गिरा दूंगी. I'll drop it down here. 2. Right? Then 3. Next number is 4. But I will not write 4 here. I will not write 4 here. I'll drop it down here. So it becomes 4 here. Right? So our next number is 5. I write it here. Fine. Next is 6. 6 I will not write here. I'll drop it down. 6. 7. Drop 8. 8. 9. Drop 10. 10. 11. Drop 12. 12. So again you see, if you see the pattern, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. These are all alternate numbers and these are all odd numbers, right? Here we have got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are also alternate numbers and these are all even numbers. I hope you have understood it, right? So ask your mama to make some practice sums for you missing in the form of missing numbers. She'll write in a notebook and you can do the test. Okay? And this will verify how much you have understood. Now we'll revise one more concept today, and that is I'm using another object for you. What is this? What are these, beta? Have you ever seen these? These are all the coins you use in carom. Carom game खेली है कभी? You have a carom board and then you play with the coins. These are called coins. These are used in carom, right? That is also a very good indoor game. As nowadays lockdown is going on and you can't go out to play, you can ask your parents to buy a carom board for you. Okay, you can play that game. Now these coins, again, yellow, black we are having. But I am not doing alternate numbers with this. I'll do something else. I keep a yellow coin over here and then I keep a black coin over here, right? So now yellow के बाद आ रहा है black. So what do we say? We say black coin is placed after the yellow coin, right? Black coin is placed after the yellow coin. Fine? Yes? And similarly we can say yellow coin is placed before the black coin. Yellow coin black coin से पहले रखा है. We can say yellow coin is placed before the black coin. Now I place one more yellow coin over here, right? Now what can I say? I can say black coin is in between the two yellow coins. Black coin is in between the two yellow coins, isn't it? In between means बीच में है. Black coin इन दोनों के बीच में है, between है, right? The same concept. So look here. Before, after, in between, I have written some numbers here, right? Now if you see this number, for before, after, in between, you must always remember the counting, right? and if you look at this number line, you will be able to answer what number is before and what number is after. After means बाद में आने वाला, before means पहले आने वाला, और between means बीच में आने वाला, right? So for example, I ask you, which number is before 12? ये देखिए 12 से पहले सर्कल लगाया है, आपको 12 से पहले वाला, पहले means before. Which number comes before 12? So you'll just go to the number line and see. 12 से पहले क्या आ रहा है? 11, right? So I'll write 11 over here. 11 comes before 12, right? Similarly, what comes after 5? What comes after 5? 5 के बाद क्या आ रहा है? Look at the number line. 6 comes after 5. I'll write 6 over here, right? Next one, what comes between? ये बीच में लगा है circle. बीच में means between. What comes between 8 and 10? Look at the number line. 8 and 10 के बीच में क्या है? It's 9. So we write 9 over here. Now, you may not be always able to draw the number line. आप हमेशा number line तो draw नहीं करेंगे. You have to remember the counting in your mind, right? Keep the counting in your mind. And whenever there are few sums like this, what comes before, after and between, what you have to do is, you just think it over. सिर्फ सोचिए काउंटिंग में, काउंटिंग मन में बोलकर देखिए कि क्या नंबर पहले आ रहा है या बाद में, एंड देन यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट easily. Fine? So you can have some worksheets for that. You can do practice and do practice that. Otherwise, you will not be able to solve the sums properly. Maths is all about practice, beta. जितनी practice करेंगे, you will be able to do it right. That's all. Bye-bye. So now here is your worksheet for before, after and between. As you can see in this picture, a boy is standing between two girls, isn't it? And there is one girl before the boy and one girl after the boy, right? Now here are some numbers below their pictures, and you have to fill in the answers for before, after and between. So there is the answer key also. But before looking at the answer key, I would suggest you write these in your notebook and then try to solve it yourself. Right, beta? Or you can tell the answers verbally to your mama. Better you write it in your notebook and solve it. Fine? And also remember that whenever you get time, you have to practice more and more for these things, so that you have your concepts on your tips every time. Right? Now here is the worksheet for the missing numbers. This also I have drawn only two caterpillars, and you can draw these in your notebook and write the missing numbers over here. Try to fill in the missing numbers and make sure that you fill in the alternate missing numbers. ध्यान रखिएगा, ये simple counting नहीं है. These are alternate numbers. Here is the answer key for the same. Look carefully. I have written the missing numbers and you can see these are all alternate missing numbers. Normal counting नहीं है, right? So if you have got it wrong, अगर आपका आंसर गलत होता है, don't worry. You can draw some other caterpillar and you can write some other numbers, or you can ask your mama to write.